What is the project company?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Pari Mamallan. Our company name is Swals. We are inspired by Global Seed Vault from Svalbard, Norway, because that is the natural way to preserve all varieties of seed. All over the world are preserving the seed there. So we have inspired from that technology and we have brought grain chiller. This product will preserve all kind of grain in silos. The problem in India and other countries where there is a temperature is hot and sometimes it gets cold, the condensation happen inside the silo and the silo wall corrodes. And the other condition problem is if you put grain in higher moisture, the fungus forms inside the silo and discolor happens. The lot of paddy wasted inside the silo because of lack of knowledge how to maintain the grain inside the silo. So now with this technology, anybody can store in silo without a worry of what moisture they load. The maximum moisture you can put in the silo with a grain chiller is around 15% moisture, and grain temperature can go up to 45 degrees, it doesn't matter. The grain chiller will go blow the cold dehydrated air for at least 1 week to 2 weeks depending on the chiller size. Once the cooling is done, you are allowed to remove the chiller, close the inlet, and you can store it for 2 to 3 months without worrying of running the aeration fan or using a fumigation tablets or worrying about a hot spot, because once the grain is cool, the grain will remain cool for at least 2 to 3 months, so no risk of any quality damage. You will not face any discolor in your paddy or milled rice. And most of the problem is eliminated by one-time cooling, and the running cost of running this chiller is cheaper than fumigation and aeration. And the ROI of this machine is within one storage you will recover the money, because it is found that at least 2% to 3% of grain is lost in the silo by not using the grain cooler. With the natural aeration, with the fumigation, you will always face the problem of quality deterioration. That is why we are calculated 2 to 3%. So with that quantity of grain stored, for one chiller you can cool 3 silos. If you calculate in that way, you will get your investment in one storage. That means within 3 months or 6 months of time.
This technology, the Indians.
Basically, this technology evolved from the Europe. It is 50 years old technology. The pioneer came from a German company, and later it was developed in India. And Swals India Private Limited is in Chennai. We manufacture this chiller with the highest technology. We reimagined the older concept from what the Germans have developed. This is developed basically for the most demanding weather condition, like very hot and very humid or subtropic and moderate weather. What we have rebuilt is we have completely removed the AC fan and gone with the new technology fan. This is called EC fans. This consumes less energy than the traditional fans. And then we went with the concept of stainless steel condensing and evaporating, because we know most of the millers in India are running in a very dusty conditions. So it is easy to blow the water and clean it. So we made everything which you can use water and clean. And we also have a filter to use and remove whenever it gets choked. The alarm will indicate. And
Filter is doubles?
Yeah.
Singles?
And you can see we made a more surface area for the sucking the air from the ambient. We use a German filter from Friedenberg. Whenever it gets choked, you get an indication. We have an app, Swals app, as well as the login you can do, and you get the feedback. If anything is not working in the condition of what we desire, it will indicate such thing. And so there is a signal lamp which alerts you with some faults, and we use high quality control panels, all Siemens controls. You can see all from Siemens and Rital, bus bar system, filters, and Danfoss VFD, and Siemens here with the display. And we are the first company to introduce all stainless steel for the, the ducts, because very often this is always in the outdoor. When rains, suns, we don't want this product to, lose the quality. So we promise this product to stay at least for a decade. So that is the idea we built this. And we have given a very big wheel. Traditionally, it was only 400 diameter wheel. But we observed in India that some of the places the roads are not so neat, so the 400 gets stuck and 5 people needs to move around. So we made it easy for them to move, because as I said, one chiller can be used for 3 silos. So they can easily move with this bigger wheel. It's 550 dia. When the customer says, I don't want such a wheel, we give 400 dia.
How many price grain volts?
Okay, this technology, we have made 6 different models. For example, here what we brought is 321. This is capable of doing or cooling 4,000 ton corn silo or 2,500 ton paddy silo. This cost approximately 45 lakh and
45 lakhs.
45 lakh. And you can see we are the first company to bring lot of innovation inside. You can see that this is a Bitzer compressor from Germany, and this is Siemens valve, and we are the first company to introduce electronic expansion valve and stainless steel evaporators. What you see is all stainless steel, and then so we suck the ambient air with the Siemens fan, and then we are cooling and dehydrating the air and then pushing the air out, and we are using so much high quality components so that there is no vibration, there is no noise is protected from no vibration. For that we have done some gaskets, so that way you avoid vibration. So
My last question,
Yeah.
guarantee, warranty.
So
How many
normally,
times?
we give 2 years warranty. Normally all our competitors goes with 1 year. We are so much confident with our technology. The compressor is so much protected. All the components are protected with software. So we give 2 years warranty.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Pari Mamallan. I am the founder of Swals. Thank you everybody for your time.
Thank you, sir.
so
Thank you.
much.
It's card.
Thank you. कार्ड और में है ना?
If you want to contact, so connect him. ले लो
ले लिया फोटो.
हाँ ले लो. कहना चाहोगे आप? नहीं नहीं ठीक है.
Thank you, sir.
Should I